So as we're leaving here, Machu Picchu, rounding out our trip from Peru, let's talk about working to live versus working just to acquire stuff. A lot of guys out there on social media will show you cars, big houses, things like that, all materialistic things to, well, let's just face it, a lot of people work really hard, 50, 60 hours a week to buy things to impress people that don't really like them anyway. Instead, what you'll realize is if you talk to any Europeans, they are actually working to live. They're working to buy experiences. Come across a European, they'll have 30, 40 countries stamped in their passport. And where Americans will be like, oh, we're at Jamaica, went to Bahamas. So one of the things you have to consider when you're working so hard is you want to work to buy experiences, or do you want to work to buy a new belt, new shoes, again, to impress some people that you probably don't care about and you probably won't even know in 5 years. Think about it.